Hello my friend, in this video I will show you how to use Castscreen by iPhone and Android phone. First of all, you have to ensure the interactive board is with network. Then let's open the multi-screen. With iPhone first, you can see there is an ID and password here. Open the Wi-Fi, select the same ID and input the password. And connect. Find the AirPlay, click and connect. You will see the iPhone screen is on the interactive board screen. Now let's move to the Castscreen by Android phone. Unlike iPhone, Android phone needs to download an app called Quick Share. You can download the app by scanning the QR code on the guideline. Click Scan to connect and scan the QR code on the interactive board. Now connecting. The interactive board can also receive the voice. Interactive board display content can also be airdropped to Android phone. Android phone can control the interactive board. Different devices can be airdropped at the same time. If you want to know more, please contact us to get the software instruction.